What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Brian's broadcast. Today, I'm going to do a first impression on 3 fragrances from the indie house of Untamed Perfumes. Now, they're based out of Canada, and I saw their fragrance. One of them was Salish Sea on Justin's channel. Justin Copeland, if you know the person, his channel's name is Stay Fresh Productions. So I was really curious because if you know me personally, I love freshes and aquatic fragrances. So I reached out to this company and found out that yes, they do free shipping to the United States, and I was very happy to order 2 fragrances, and courtesy of Untamed Perfumes, they sent me 1 free 10 ml bottle of another fragrance that I was really interested, but at the moment I was not ready to buy them, and also sent another small sample of another one that I was also interested. So first off, let me quickly show you how the boxes are with the 30 ml presentation size. They come in brown, like recyclable material, I'm 100% sure, and there's kind of like an owl right there, Untamed Perfumes, and the fragrance name is right here. And here's the 10 ml size. This one's called, so one of them is Salish Sea and the other one is called My Greek Lover. These are the 2 that I purchased with my own money. And this one, this is called Running with the Wolves, and this is handwritten. As you can see, that's a nice touch, I must say. And they also sent me Mevlana, so they sent me this in a tiny little pouch. I'm gonna check this out later, but the first thing that I really want to try is Salish Sea. So if you will order from Untamed Perfumes, they will send this beautiful card. As you can see, they have the notes and a beautiful story on the back if you want to check it out. I mean, I don't know if you can see it properly. Maybe pause the video and take a look. So let's get cracking with Salish Sea. Guys, I'm really excited about this one. Let's see. All right, let's finally open. So they come in 30 ml size, so that's 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so they put some cotton wool so that, you know, in case of leaks or something, I think that's why, to absorb this. The cap is wood, and definitely it's wood. Okay, it's pretty light, but it's definitely wood. It's not one of those textured plastic. Look at this beautiful presentation. Looks very nice. Very simplistic bottle, 30 ml extrait de parfum. Handy dandy tester strip. Right, here goes. Ooh. It opens with a fresh blast of salty aquaticness, which is very different. It's kind of like woody, a bit dark, mysterious woodiness coming through. And this is all happening at the same time, like it's playful. I mean, the notes are playing around. There's some floral notes. I mean, if I'm looking over here, there is some floral notes. Almost feels like the foaming sea waves, you know, hitting the beaches or the, what do you call, the sandy or rocky shores, you know, the splash, the foam. Almost feels like that. Has some kind of a peppery vibe. Very interesting. Love this. Love this. And this is just on paper. I'm not going to do on my wrist today because, I have something on already, so, you know, like, I don't want to spoil the experience. The next one I'm going to try is called My Greek Lover. So, again, I was really skeptical. I was torn between My Greek Lover or Mevlana, but, yeah, you know, they were very kind to send me a little decant of Mevlana. Because at the end I was watching Ross's video, TLTG reviews, and I thought, hey, I might just want to try My Greek Lover. Sounds more interesting. And, oh, okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there was certainly a little leakage during shipping, but that's okay, as long as it's not leaking all through. Yeah, it's not leaking, it's just a tiny amount. This one's, yeah, Rossman was definitely right on this one. Lots of citrus, juicy, fresh, bit sour, bit sweet, citrus, fruity, florals. It's kind of like a tad bit of animalic vibe, like a tad bit, but it's nice. So this is the card for my Greek lover. You got the story on the back. You might want to pause and watch if you really want. There's some green nuance, definitely. Maybe some kind of fougere, like a modern fougere kind of vibe to it. So if anyone's like still confused, my Greek lover, this one's definitely unisex, 100%. I would say like Salish Sea is a bit more masculine leaning because of the nature. It's got the dark, mysterious, like a bit heavier. But this one, my Greek lover, I would say it's perfectly in the middle. It's not too feminine or too masculine. Definitely summertime banger, 100%. You know, it feels very pleasant to wear all these fresh fragrances in the wintertime too. So, you know, it's cooler. It's the cooler months here in New York City. It's cold. So it seems like the citruses will live pretty long on this one because I see a lot of them. I see lemon, bitter orange, and then you got green grapes. Wow. You got quince. A lot of fruits here. Orange blossom, honey, a lot of stuff. I'm going to go into details later on. Oh, now I see where that animalic vibe is coming from. You got musk, you've got civet. I don't know if they use authentic civet, but I guess that's where the animalic part is coming through. But it's not your bad piss kind of smell. It's beautiful. It's just going to work. I mean, the musk and the civet is going to work very nice. Lovely stuff. Lovely. Loved my Greek lover so far. I loved this one too, Salish Sea. Let's check out really quickly Running with the Wolves. Very interesting name. So, beautiful bottle. Again, handwritten note here. I mean, the name of the fragrance. I love this touch. So, it's a 10 ml decant, and I don't know if you can see it, but they have the logo etched over here in wood. The cap is wooden. Beautiful stuff. I don't know if you heard that pop. Like, pop. Running with the Wolves. You got the story on the back if you want to pause and follow. Wow. Wow. Peppery, cherry, fruity, red apple. There's some kind of a spiciness going on. The almond is coming off like bitter, dry. Lovely, 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 beautiful stuff. I guess I know my next purchase now. It's very well done, very well balanced. Kind of like a sharpness coming through with that pepper, but not too much. I mean, a bit spicy cherry. It's very interesting. Very interesting. The floral note, like the tuberose, it's not one of that super floral one. It's like working in the background, something like that. Wonderful stuff. So guys, that was my first impression of 3 fragrances that I got from the house of Untamed Perfumes. They're called Salish Sea, my Greek lover, and courtesy of Untamed Perfume. This is a free bottle that they sent me. Very happy with their products. Like, they smell fantastic. If you're willing to check them out, they are based in Canada. Help them out, of course, because it's an indie house. They do independent business, so very good quality. You can tell right away, like, it smells very high quality, beautiful stuff. So guys, I will be doing full wearings of this, and of course I'm gonna do full review, so make sure you stay tuned to my channel. And I'll probably check out Mevlana later on, because right now I gotta digest all these 3 that I just smelled. You know, I'm just gonna check out the tester strips over time. And lovely, lovely. Yeah, the Salish Sea is turning into something else now. Has that green nuance. We'll talk about details later, guys. So, you know, I just loved what the scent here, what I purchased, and what the scent. This was free, courtesy of Untamed Perfumes. So guys, that was it. My first impression of Untamed Perfumes, and I loved this product. And probably I'll be getting a full bottle of Running with the Wolves. You know, let's see what else I can check out from their offerings. So until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.